The office of the Vice President's proposed budget. Some senators will come to rescue the OVP slashed budget for 2025. Senator Mig Zubiri said that some of his colleagues will seek to increase the OVP's proposed budget. Vice President Sara Duterte repeatedly snubbed the budget hearings in the House. This prompted lawmakers to decrease the OVP's proposed budget from 2 billion pesos to 733 million pesos. Zubiri expressed confidence that VP Sara will attend their budget hearings.
In fairness, dito nag-attend po siya and she answered questions raised by some of our senators. She was very engaging with the senators, so walang problema.
Well, because we all know naman she has allies there eh.
Yeah,
she has allies. Senator Bato de la Rosa, you have Senator Robin Hood Padilla.
Alam mo yung bulk, kasi tignan mo yung budget ni VP Sara, no? Ang bulk ng budget na is very, ika nga tama, I'd have to agree with Congress on this, on the lower house. Ang budget na hiningi niya, majority of it, redundant sa mga current functions ng ibang department. You have DSWD, di ba? You have function ng PhilHealth. Ang dami nun eh, di ba? So, yung mga burial assistants, di ba? Yung mga assistance sa mga indigenous people, assistance sa mga less fortunate people, very redundant, di ba? Kaya nga if you remember, kay former VP Leni, they gave her the basic budget para mag-operate, and then yung mga programa ni VP Leni for the laylayan, nanggagaling sa donations
mostly donations
from corporate institutes, because I agree naman, redundant kay may DSWD, may function ka. So, ba't mo ihihiwalay ang function ng...
Tsaka, di ba, kinwestiyon din doon yung mga satellite offices niya. So, lumaki yung budget din niya. Isa sa mga reasons or factors ba't lumaki yung budget niya. Because you have a lot of satellite offices that you pay the rents, etc. Di ba?
Why not? Let's be prudent the way we spend.
Tsaka, bakit kailangan ng confidential intelligence funds dun sa...
Tsaka historically, ang OVP is either, kung walang confidential fund, nasa 5 to 10 million range lang. Ito ang laki ng hinihingi. So why will you come to the rescue pag hindi naman kailangan ang budget? Huwag ganun ang... Porket may political alliances ka, let's not do it that way anymore.
Pero tignan natin, di ba, anong mangyayari dito sa... Kasi may plenary debate siya, hindi manggagaling muna sa Senate.
Anyway, matagal pa yan.
A-attend siya dyan.
By camp pa yan.
Ano ang mapagkakasunduan nila tungkol dyan sa budget ng OVP. Pero sabi naman ni Vice President Sara Duterte, she's willing to attend sa Senate. Diba? The last time she attended also, kaso nagkasagutan sila doon ni Senator Risa Ontiveros.
Yeah.
Abangan